Just like in our previous tutorial, we're going to start by creating a new file. So we've opened Illustrator. We're going to go to File, New, and we're going to use this 12 by 12 recent file that we've created. So once you create one, you should have this there. If you don't have one there, you can create the size and set some of the presets. So you can see here that our orientation really doesn't matter because it's 12 by 12. It's a square. And we're having our raster effects at 300 ppi, and our color mode is CMYK. Pretty much all we have to do. Again, keeping it simple, not going too deep into other presets or other details, because we really just need the white background to get started. So we're going to click Create. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring in the image that we're going to use as a background that we want to recreate into a vector file. So you can download this shield. It's a 10th Marine shield, and you can download it from the introduction video for this tutorial. And all I did was, from my Windows File Explorer, I just left clicked and dragged and dropped it into this window. Now I want to scale it up, so I'm going to click on one of the corner anchors, and as I move it, you can see that it'll change the proportion of the size of the graphic. So if I hold my shift key down, it actually locks the proportion so I can scale this appropriately. So I'm going to click up here. We'll scale this up, and again, just center it on our page, and we'll use this as a backdrop. So you can see I'm just going to kind of lock it in to the center of the page here. And then once I'm done with that, I will now start to create the shape. And I'll start with the inner shape. We'll add the text, and then we'll work on the stuff last. So again, I'm going to step you through this step by step as I create it, and you'll see each step along the way.